Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm over here at Scott's shop. By the way, Scott's shop is right next to my shop. So this is me right here, and this is Scott right here. So he has the 83 300 CD, and he's detailing it, doing the 3-stage paint correction. So let's go in here and see how it's coming along. Looks like he started taping off all the molding and bumpers. He's got the emblems pulled off. I'll pull off that middle one so we can buff and polish under the emblems. Yeah, nice. He has the sunroof gasket all taped off. So I guess he's gonna be yeah, he's getting serious. He wants to make this thing perfect. Nice. It's got the little cow vents taped off here. So let's go find Scott, see what he's doing. Actually, we already did the engine compartment yesterday. Let me show you guys this. All right, here we go. Like I said, we detailed the engine compartment the day before yesterday, not yesterday, and this came out absolutely incredible.
You want the light?
Yeah, let's put the light on up here. Okay, we got the detail light up here so you guys can see this. This is a remarkable survivor, guys. Yeah, there we go. You can see all the cadmium from the factory is perfectly intact. Look at that. We cleaned up the inner wheel wells. It's just, this is an amazing survivor. Over here, there's even some of the cosmoline. So you see this stuff right here? That does, that doesn't wipe off. That's the cosmoline that they sprayed in the engine compartment. I have not refinished that. That's the original air cleaner housing cover. It's not corroded, rusted. The paint has not faded. It's got the original insulation on the AC manifold. Just remarkable. There's all the original stickers. So anyway, today Scott is working on the exterior. So I'll go ahead and come back in a minute and we'll show you working his magic.
Okay, so I taped off the seal around here, around the sunroof, because that is actually kind of a velveteen type seal.
Oh yeah, it's got those
And
little
a lot of shops will buff straight over that, and they'll take the fibers right off the seal.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
And then this will get all compacted with compound.
So you're actually going to Trisac this, not just a standard buff and polish.
Yeah.
We're going to go to the next level.
Yeah, the Trisac removes any fine scratches and stuff.
So the Trisac removes any of that. You're going to Trisac, and then what's after Trisac?
Buffing, polishing, polishing again, and then sealing it. So
this is like a five stage here.
Yeah, roughly.
Trisac, buff, polish, seal, wax. Yeah, that's
sealing is
the wax. Okay, we'll call it 4-stage. All right. Well, I'm gonna let Scott get to work, and I'm gonna get out of his way, guys. All right, guys. You can see Scott has started the Trisac process, and the way you can tell this is single-stage paint is because the buffing is paint colored. When it's clear coat, it is not the color of the paint, but you can see that's the pigment from the very, very top layer of the paint. It's taken off like what? One like micron or something ridiculous. But when you do it on a base coat, clear coat, it's a clear color. It's not the pigment color of the paint. So this is a single stage car, which Midnight Blue was a single stage. And so this is step one of the process. I just went to get some new windshield wipers and washer fluid. I'll put those on when Scott's done. What are you doing, Scott?
just playing in the dirt.
Wow, look at that.
Trying to turn myself into a Smurf.
Yeah. It's messy, huh?
Yeah. Anyway.
So that's a wool pad, and the wool pads are heavier cut than the foam pads. So you typically start with a wool pad, and then you finish off with a fine foam pad.
I raised my own sheep, so this is special wool.
Yeah.
Secret wool.
We cut the sheep every
We
Friday.
shear them out back.
Three more stages to go after this, guys. All right, guys, it's noisy in here. Scott is finishing up. He's doing the final polish. Look at that. There you go. There's the shop door right there. See that? That is remarkable. Wow. He's polishing back here. Now he has the random orbital. So anyway, this car is about done, and I'll go ahead and stop recording the detail video now, but you guys will see the final product in the walk around video. So see you next time.